Welcome to my YouTube channel Unfold Biography. Today we will talk about Prophet Isa alayhi salam. Let's start the video. Prophet Isa alayhi salam is a central figure in Islam, Christianity, and Judaism, although his story differs across these religions. In Islam, he is considered one of the greatest prophets, a messenger sent by Allah to guide the people. His life and teaching are recorded in Quran and Hadith, and his mission is regarded as one of calling people to worship the one true God. Isa alayhi salam mother, Maryam, was a devout woman chosen by Allah to bear a miraculous child. According to Islamic tradition, Isa alayhi salam was born without a father, a divine act of Allah's power. Maryam alayhi salam was a virgin, and Isa alayhi salam birth was a sign of Allah's greatness. This miraculous birth is similar to the Christian belief in the virgin birth of Jesus, Isa alayhi salam. But in Islam, it is emphasized that Isa alayhi salam is a prophet, not the son of Allah. Isa alayhi salam grew up in a time when the people of Israel were struggling with injustice, oppression, and a departure from true worship. Allah chose Isa alayhi salam to be a prophet and gave him many miracles to help guide people back to the right path. Among these miracles were healing the sick, giving sight to the blind, and even raising the dead. These miracles were signs of his prophethood and his closeness to Allah. One of the most significant teachings of Isa alayhi salam was the message of monotheism, worshipping only Allah. He called the people to leave their false idols and live righteous lives. Isa alayhi salam message emphasized compassion, charity, and love for others. He taught that the poor and oppressed were especially dear to Allah, and he encouraged kindness and forgiveness. Despite his many miracles and his powerful message, Isa alayhi salam faced opposition from the leaders of the time, particularly the religious authorities. They saw Isa alayhi salam as a threat to their power and influence, and they rejected his message. The Quran explains that they plotted to kill him, but Allah intervened and saved Isa alayhi salam. Instead of being crucified, as is believed in Christianity, Isa alayhi salam was raised up to heaven by Allah. Muslims believe that he will return to earth in the future as part of the signs of the Day of Judgment. In Islam, Isa alayhi salam is not considered the son of Allah, but rather a revered prophet. He is highly respected, and his story is seen as a reminder of the importance of faith, humility, and obedience to Allah's will. He is also one of the 5 greatest prophets in Islam, along with Adam alayhi salam, Nuh alayhi salam, Ibrahim alayhi salam, and Muhammad peace be upon him. Isa alayhi salam role is to lead people to righteousness and to remind them of the importance of following Allah's guidance. Islam teaches that Isa alayhi salam followers who remain faithful to his message are the true believers. In addition to his miracles and teachings, Isa alayhi salam life is also marked by his dedication to his mission despite the challenges he faced. His unwavering commitment to his message, even in the face of opposition, is an example for Muslims. Isa alayhi salam patience and perseverance are virtues that Muslims are encouraged to emulate. The second coming of Isa alayhi salam is an important event in Islamic eschatology. It is believed that he will return to earth as part of the final events before the Day of Judgment. Isa alayhi salam will defeat the false Messiah, or Antichrist, known as Dajjal in Islam, and establish justice, peace, and righteousness on earth. After fulfilling this mission, Isa alayhi salam will live for a time before passing away and being buried. Isa alayhi salam life and teachings continue to inspire millions around the world. His story, while varying in different religious traditions, teaches universal lessons of faith, love, justice, and submission to the will of Allah. His legacy remains a powerful reminder of the values that guide believers in both their spiritual and daily lives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and Comment down.